Hi, my name's Keith Nicol, and today what I'd like to talk about is some emails that I've gotten over the last few weeks on my YouTube channel, related to technique and knee pain, particularly related to skating, and wondering if those two are related, like poor technique and subsequent knee pain. Remember, when we free skate, we're on the flats. When we got lots of glide, we want to put down a nice flat ski like this, and this allows us to balance on it and get glide. Because the ski is flat, we're stacked toe, knee, and nose. We can balance on that ski for a moment or two when we have our poles and we're doing the one skate, or V2 for our American viewers. We're getting lots of glide. That ski has to go down flat if we're going to glide any distance. But most of the skiers that I see around here try to glide on a edge ski. They put down their ski edge, and there's no way, once the ski goes down edge, you can roll it flat. Let me demonstrate kind of a progression of what I see in skiers around here, the self-taught skiers, how they might ski. So the self-taught skier might ski a bit like this. They keep their weight in the middle, they kind of move back and forth like this, and they are always on their edges. You can see the inside edge here. It's easy to stay in the middle when we just put down an edge ski that tips us back in, put down an edge ski, tips us back in. We're quite stable doing that, but we don't really glide very far because the ski is always on an edge, tipping us inside. Once skiers progress a little bit, they realize that skating has a bit of a swaying motion to it, and so then they skate perhaps a bit like this. But notice in this case that although the head is trying to go over, the ski is still going down edged. Putting on an edge ski, trying to get the head over, but we're still putting down this edge ski, which we do not want to do. So remember, if you're putting down this edge ski and trying to balance on it like that, you're going to have a lot of difficulty and perhaps some knee strain associated with that. So what I'd like to do now is talk to a medical professional who deals with knee pain and in her practice, and see if that could be related to poor technique in skating. Today I'm with Megan Hughes, and she's with the Joint Physiotherapy Clinic in Courtenay, BC, and she's going to help shed some light on this whole issue of possible knee pain and skiing on edges. That's a real common problem with many skiers I see in our resort, are kind of trying to balance on an edge ski, and can that result in knee pain? So what's your view on this?
Right, so skiing on or balancing on our edges can place the knee in what's called a valgus knee position, so it's inside like this.
Right.
Now theoretically, this could predispose the knee to pain or injury, thus placing more pressure on the inside structures of the knee, medial meniscus, medial collateral ligament, and anterior cruciate ligament. Now I looked into the research to see whether this was proven or studied to be true, and unfortunately I couldn't find any literature to confirm or deny that being the case. But theoretically, it could be true. So
I guess what you're saying is that if a skier has problems with the inside of their knee and they skate on their edges and don't get on a flat ski like we want to do, get on a flat ski to balance, then that would be the part of the knee to look for if that's kind of the issue.
Very possibly.
Okay, well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with skiers you think might benefit. See you on the trail, and thanks again to Megan Hughes.